Huwag na huwag niyong gagamitin si ChatGPT na parang Google lang. Let me show you how you can maximize it for free. Let's go! So, ganito lang yan guys. Click nyo lang tong record icon na to, itong mini microphone na yan. Record nyo lang yung sasabihin nyo. Okay, so all the client under past client stage will receive an email after 7 days. So this particular client haven't received anything yet because today is on the 6th day. So maybe tomorrow or so for tomorrow they will receive email, which includes the congratulation email with the option to put or to add review, which is the link that you provided before. Or if you change the status to 1, definitely they will automatically remove from that pipeline or that pipeline stage. So we cannot see them anymore. But they will still receive a continuous email for the past client, so they can send a referral, something like that. So I hope that helps. Thank you. Ngayon, since nasabi nyo na lahat, syempre hindi yan perfect, okay? So, ayan guys. Lagyan nyo lang again, lagyan nyo ng rephrase and make it better. Tapos, ayan. Then, click this arrow. Yan. Okay. So, basahin nyo to, screenshot nyo. Mas nabigyan niya, mas na-explain niya ng mabuti.
At ang maganda dito, Mi, hindi siya sounds like AI.
Para lang mas maintindihan ni client yung gusto nyong sabihin sa kanya. So, you can maximize the use of ChatGPT. So, yun lang guys. You're welcome. Bye!